Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung TV. Why we need to factory reset our TV? There are several reasons, but the main are apps crashing or not loading, TV response slow on remote, picture freezing, sound problems, and Wi-Fi network issues. Viewers, there are two types of reset, soft reset and hard reset. Now soft reset method is to just unplug your TV from the wall socket and press and hold the power key on the TV that should be on the behind or underneath for 20 seconds and then release it. Guys, believe me or not, this will work in many cases and your problem will be fixed. Unfortunately, if that doesn't work, then we have to hard reset. Now I will show you how to hard reset our Samsung TV. Put your TV in standby mode and then press a secret code from your remote, that is info, menu, mute and power key without any pause. Guys, press the keys without any pause, because if you give pause the service menu will not open. I have pressed the keys. Now the TV will power on in service menu. You are watching that there are many options that are not available in normal settings. Now we have to select the highlighted option, that is option. On the first we have a factory reset option. Press OK here from the remote and our Samsung TV will be resetted to its factory settings. Wait for some time and then power on your TV again. Now the TV is in a condition that you have just bought from the shop. So continue the on-screen setup and enjoy watching your favorite movies and programs. In case of any query, ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.